Nova. We just got in. This is gonna be just like Terra Luna. They are sister resorts. So I think they're gonna look the same, and yeah, this is kind of how I remember Terra Luna. But we have a theme park view, which is pretty awesome. So here, 2 beds, couch, a little table, we got drawers, and we got a pop-up charger station, got stuff charging, alarm clock, like a charge pad, some more charging spots, a little desk drawer over here. There's the artwork. Oh, they got reading lamps. It's pretty cool. Sounds pretty good amount of focus light. Then we got this divider, kind of like a tinted glass, and then something you can pull across. Little bathroom area, bathtub, toilet, nothing too crazy. Then we got a closet that's gonna be full of our stuff. You got extra linens, safe, ironing board, iron. And then here's just a little entry area. Yeah. Pretty good size room, really, for what you need. Nice little seating area. Oh, we do have like a mini fridge or cooler down here. And we got some stuff in there right now. But cool view. And it doesn't seem to be super packed right now. This is also the closest hotel to Epic. So the bus is right there. That's where you get off the bus for Epic. It's a really quick walk. Saw plenty of people walking. There's just a quick path that goes over there. So yeah, if you want to get up early and walk to Epic and be one of the first at the gates, this is a great place to think about staying. And you get to see all the different lands and worlds over there. So that's pretty neat. You can see Orlando way out there in the distance, and some of the other properties that are that way. You can see Volcano Bay. Yeah. Pretty neat. We're about to go kick off and run to a park. So thanks for watching. See ya.